Okay. Okay. I. w- I. I'm stupid. Okay. Hold on. Let me private this because I just I set this for kids. Like it wasn't supposed to be for kids, but I accidentally set it for kids. So this is not the right stream. Hold on. I think this is the right stream. Yeah. And yeah, we have the chat here. Okay. I think we are here. We are ready. Welcome everyone to my new stream. Today we are gonna continue coding our stuff. And I this is the first stream of 2025. I know I took a long break from the last stream in 2024. Yeah, it's I have multiple things going on, and I don't have so much free time, and it's not that easy for me. But we are back, and we are gonna continue developing our new exciting farms. And I did some things like I this isn't my only project I have. I have so many projects, and I couldn't you know continue on this one specifically, but off stream I added some interesting feature. Let's see. Yeah, this one. Hold on. Okay. I add this, and here you can, it's kind of interesting because you can now, like, manage events. Do this. You have this manage this event management system, and you can actually control some things. And I think this is really interesting. I use this library. um, I use this library here, made by Google. It's open source. And yeah, you can like use blocks, like scratch style blocks, to create some custom stuff. And the interesting part is that Blockly is also used by Scratch. See? Wait, hold on. Let me just put this in English so anyone could understand. So, um, as you can see, this is used by Scratch, and um, I don't think it's specified here. Wait. And yeah, it's also used by another popular app that's called App Inventor. And App Inventor also uses the same library, and it's kind of interesting. And I use this event management system. And another thing, and the thing is, I also made it work. Like, if we go, I don't remember which one is it. I think, yeah, it's this one. Okay. If we go here, on example2.html, um, as you can see, my firm actually supports dynamic pages. Like you can place it statically with this, like this, and if you go here, it automatically spawns the farm. Like if you type, where is it? If you type 123, it it the script is run. You run this script because I created this ID info, and if the value of this field is 123, you set the field to test. And it's very interesting because if you type 123, you get this. It's how cool is that? It's amazing. This is amazing. You can do so many things with that. It's you have, you know, you have many things here, and it's very cool. You can also, okay, I will implement this. I don't think I implemented this yet, but you can do this, and it's very interesting. And the cool part is you can actually place it dynamically. You can use place form, and it works. It works just fine. You can remove it or replace it just like that. How cool is that? And the script is very simple. Like I have these two functions, one to place it, one to remove it, and I just implemented this. It's so fucking easy. Anyone, like even non developers can do that very easily because it doesn't require so much knowledge of JavaScript or HTML. You just have to call a couple of functions. You have to, use 2 or 3 lines of code, and you have it. It's flexible. Like, look, if you go here and let's see, it's also flexible. Like, it's so it supports, like, it's responsive, and you can also, this is the element box, and you can kind of, you can resize this element. Like if you want to set the width, let's see, 400 pixel, you can do it easily. It's You can do it. It's flexible. You can. I don't know how to describe, because it's self-explanatory. You can see it. You can clearly see it. It's very flexible, and it supports. It supports dynamic pages, static pages, uh, boxes like HTML boxes, and many things. And I think this is like one of the coolest thing ever. I wish I knew an application like that, like where when I was, a beginner, and now it's right here, and it's very cool. And yeah, you can easily manage this. It actually compiles a JavaScript code it's it ran it's ran like you know it's it's ran on runtime. If we go here, like there is some JavaScript code. This one specifically. Uh, yeah, this this is the JavaScript code. Wait, you can see it here. Um, yeah. No, it's not this. Where is it? Yeah, it's this. Ah, that's cool. You can do so many things with that, and it's really, really useful in my opinion. Yeah, you have some interesting features. You have the password, you know, you have many things, and yeah, this is interesting. This is really amazing. Like, I spent weeks. I spent like 1 or 2 weeks to understand the Blockly library and to create this kind of stuff here. But at the end, I even managed to do it, and but it's very cool. It's very cool. Like I spent hours, but I think it was worth it. I'm also kind of tired because I ate a lot. I went to KFC and I ate a lot of chicken. And oh my fucking god, it's fucking frustrating. But yeah, you have this. Now let's keep going. It's okay. It's very confusing because I have to remember what actually was on because this is this is kind of confusing actually. Let's see. Yeah, there is so much commented stuff here. It's a bit messy. You know, trying to, you know, I'm trying to like um see what can I add. I definitely need to add all of this. Yeah, I I will do that later. But for now, I wanted to focus on important stuff. Like we still have to implement the submit button. Like we have it here, but we don't have it here. Uh, let's just we don't have it here, and I want to have it here. So what can we do? Um, okay, so let's close this. Let's close this. So we have this this part here, and hmm, just wanted to add this. Where is it defined? Like I have this defined here, but how is it defined? Like I don't know if you get me that. Um, okay, we have the form elements, and then we have each ID here, and then we have the submit that is EF. Okay, the submit has this. Uh, yeah, it's kind of weird. This like, hold on. Oh wait, that's the actual data. Okay, this is part of the editor of the editor. Okay, and if we go here, um, yeah, this is mm, try to, you know, I ca it sounds weird, but I kind of forgot how it works because I didn't touch this project for months, and I kind of forgot what I was like thinking about. Let's see, I must do streaming because sometimes my internet just crashes and it's it's kind of annoying. And I think it's doing good for now. Let's see. Wait, I'm streaming in. Wait, I'm streaming in 1080. Wait, what? Oh my god. Okay. Didn't know I was streaming in 1080. Like it's an insane amount of quality for me. And let's try to. Oh my god, this is no feel. Um. Okay, so let's see. We let's go to um maybe link. Um. Wait. I think we have to execute this. Yeah, because we have to, implement the button. Ah, let's see. Um, so we have a div right here, and we need to, how many divs do we have here? Okay, uh, for each, we have a div for each element. That's interesting. So, and this is wrapped inside another div, and it's and there is wait, no, yeah, the, the elements are wrapped inside another div, and I think we have to create a new div here and put the submit button here. So let's try that. Let's create, you know, um, let's see, wait, um, that's the
JSON file. That's interesting. Okay, create. Let's add this part. Like let's add form element, and then we had this. Um, wait. Yeah, we had this. It's another div, and then uh, let's see what we can do here. Um, let's do that, and let's you know create this style element um, on the display flags, and uh, justify content is set to right, and then we had a new button here with this subject. Let's try to refresh this, and yeah, it's here, but um, for some reason it it's aligned to the left. I don't know why. Oh wait. Okay, that was just a typo. But yeah, we kinda have the for here, and um, yeah, I think it works, right? Oh, of course, we have to set these attributes. For now, it doesn't even work. What's the text on this? Oh, wait, the text actually works. And for some reason, it disappears. Like, I don't know why, but the text label disappeared. I don't know. I don't know. Like, we have this label, and we change it, and then I don't know. Like, what? We need to fix that, of course. And now I'm trying to understand like what's going on exactly. What exactly is going on? Because this is weird. It's not supposed to be like that, but that's okay. Also, we have the where do we have it saved? Like um, farm data. It's this, and yeah, we have the -2 index, and that's the submit element. Um, I don't know why is it like that. Like, if we this thing doesn't even exist anymore. Wait, what? How does that work? Why is it like that? Wait, if we change this and then we refresh the server, like it's right here. Um, Maybe I save it here and save data. Oh yeah, it's right here. Yeah, it's kind of confusing, but it's right here. It's saved here. Yeah, just trying to understand like what actually is going on because you know we need to implement this here. If we go here, um, yeah, that's also um, that's oh god. Let's create a new variable here. Let's call it form maybe style data, and then we decode decode the JSON and um, I think it's style data and set it to true because we want to convert it to an associative PHP array. And this is, you know, um, we have the submit, then the inner. Yeah, that's actually what it is. Now, if we refresh the page here, yeah, it works. It works just fine. And I think this is actually cool. Just trying to just trying to understand how it works because it's a bit confusing when like you post the project for you know a few months and yeah. Hmm. Okay, this is kind of it's actually uh I don't know what to think right now. Like, what the fuck? Um. So yeah. Um. Yeah, we have. I think we have to create a new event here, and then we have to, you know, um, create an ID. Oh God. Didn't even add an ID here. I should do that as soon as possible. And I think I will just copy this and paste.